This is the AINA hairbrush. It's a limited edition. Wanted to have a video so you could see how loud it is or not loud. Something on the bottom here, and the controls are right on the back. That's the low speed volume. This is high speed, and as you can see, right here are the indicators of where you're at. So, got a little cold, 57% volume. I'll go down, turn it off. And we're whipping. Very hot, 57% volume. And cold. Back down again. And off. So here's the section down here. And then this is the magnetic attachment. It gets fairly warm. You can see inside of it. It just attaches right on very easily. And that's how big it is. So the whole unit is quite compact and small. And it also comes with really good directions. And then this is another attachment you can use with very soft bristles on it. Magnetic attachment. I have shoulder length fine hair, so this is an attachment that I won't use. It's the big attachment, the big round attachment for the hair. But it has very good directions and also has a fault protector built into it. The grounding, so you don't have to worry about getting shocked. Very nice unit with really easy to see indicators.
So this is the, I don't know how to pronounce it, high-speed hair dryer. It's supposed to be an Ionic hair dryer. I have turned it on, but I haven't used it on my hair yet. But when I write, the written review should have information about how it performed. It's pretty lightweight. It's got these attachments that attach magnetically. It has the air intake is down here, and to clean it, that's also a magnet. You're supposed to clean it on a regular basis. I'm sure we all do. This is the on, slow, high wind speed there. This cycles through cold, and these lights all light up. Blue light with a snowflake. And then this is apparently 57 degrees. And this is hot. And this goes back and forth between hot and cool. It says it all this in the manual. And I did notice that when you, whatever it's on, say it's on high heat, and you turn it off and you turn it back on again, it will go right to high heat again. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to using this. I personally have short hair, so I'm probably not going to use any of these attachments, but they're here.
Okay, on first glance, this dryer looks nice. It's got this matte black silicone finish on it, but I actually don't like the dryer, and here's a couple reasons why. So to start with, the air intake is at the bottom of the stem at the handle, so you can't hold it at the bottom. You've got to hold it like more up here, which you might accidentally activate the button here if you're holding it. Number two, this wire is a lot shorter than my other dryer. You can see it's long enough to do the job, but I don't like how short this cable is compared to my other dryer. And then number three, it's not very strong. So let's see how far the box will go. Turn on full speed. Okay. And now the second one. It hit the door. And yes, these magnetic attachments are nice, but I don't know, I think just overall I'm not very impressed with the dryer. It's very basic. It feels very lightweight and very cheap in the hand, and it just doesn't have a strong enough blower to quickly dry your hair. It's just very basic. I don't really care for it.
Okay. It came. Bought this hair dryer for my daughter. Came in from Amazon. Box just today. Surprised about the power in the enough to blow that. My only issue is the attachments. Yes, they're lightweight, but broken. That one right there. On the other side, very flimsy plastic with the comb attachment. And this right here, it's just stuck. But broken attachment. Disappointed on that part.
So I am thinking here that I am going to get a small blower. Didn't think about the attachment. I think they're really cool. And everything feels like really good quality. I also love the packaging. So if you're thinking on giving it as a gift, go for it. It's beautiful.